What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Aioz network, which has gone through a major increase in value, not just in the last 24 hours but over the last week or so. It has been consistently hitting huge green candlesticks and has gone up over near about 60% in the last 24 hours alone, and is currently trading at 80 cents guys, getting very close to the dollar mark. So we're going to be looking at when can it possibly hit $1, and also looking at, is it still time to buy the crypto? Is it way too late, or should you sell it before it crashes back down, or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So yes, we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024, looking at what we can expect. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So hovering around the candlestick pattern chart here, we do have the Fibonacci scale as well, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and as usual we do have the purple line running across the chart here, giving us the average value of Aioz network, which is here in purple at 35 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at over 80 cents guys, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. However, as you guys can see, there is a major price difference between the average value and the actual value. So the crypto may be overvalued right now and may be in for a little bit of a dip over the coming hours and days, but we will get into that shortly later on in the video. But for now, I'm just going to zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from the crypto over the next 12 to 14 hours. So potentially by midday to afternoon time, the crypto should be trading at just below 80 cents is what I'm expecting. Reason being is it has gone through an enormous increase in value. So yes, it is slightly overvalued, and I'm also expecting it to take a little dip down. However, that is not right now. It is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment over the next couple of hours, potentially up to about 83-84 cents before it starts to hit red candles in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, heading down to around 75 to 77 cents, somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting the crypto to be dropping down to. But again, it's not going to be a major crash or a major drop, anything like that. Moving on to the hourly chart over the next few days, again we still have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected from Aioz network over the coming week or so. So by the end of next week, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. However, in between that time, so over the next couple of days, I'm expecting it to hit more green candles, heading over the 90-94 cents target. So getting very close to the dollar mark over the next few days before it starts to hit red candles by mid to end of next week, dropping back down in value to around just below 70 cents is what I'm expecting, because the crypto has to go for a little bit of a price correction, especially after the major pump that's taken place over the last week or so. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we have taken a complete U-turn guys. We are going the straight opposite direction, looking very bullish and very steep as well, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last few days. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming weeks, which is not correct and is not realistic. So late April, early May 2024, I am expecting the crypto to have dropped back down to below 40 cents in value. So yes, that will be a major price correction by late March and early April. So yes guys, probably not something you guys expected. However, it is the crypto market. That is how it works. The crypto has done, let's have a look here. Over the week it's gone up over 180% and over the month near about 455%, which is absolutely crazy and it's not sustainable and it is overvalued. Let me prove my point. Bringing out the MACD indicator, as you guys can see, yes, this bit here is realistic because it has resisted, pumped up into the green zone. However, ever since, let's have a look at the 7th of March, which was 2 days ago, the crypto has literally been breaking out each and every resistance target without any resistance and has ended up into the top tier level here, which is not realistic and is not sustainable. So essentially what it's likely to end up doing is dropping back down into the green zone potentially by late March and early April is what I'm expecting at the moment. However, we do have the Bitcoin halving coming on in April, which should have a major impact on the crypto market, which of course I will keep you guys updated on as much as I can. So guys, make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 140% in the last 24 hours, making it $116 million in trading guys, which is a huge increase in trading. The reason being is Aioz is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, so it has been getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype around it. Not just the last 24 hours but over the last couple of days, so more and more people have started to trade the crypto. But one thing I would say is if you're looking to invest into it right now when it is at one of its highest point it has ever been at, I would be careful guys, because as I mentioned, I'm expecting a price correction. So can Aioz hit the dollar mark over the long run in 2024? Yes, however, what I'm expecting it to do is hit potentially the dollar mark towards the very end of the year or early next year, because once it goes through the price correction, as I mentioned earlier on, down to around the 40 cents target, it will have to go through a slow and steady increase in value, which will take time because that's how the crypto market works. And for it to be sustainable, it will probably take at least about a good 8 to 12 months for it to hit the dollar mark. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.